But I can't see it. Hello, you're recording.
I know.
Look at my blood. The blood!
Look at her other blood spots.
This is what nature does to
Okay, let's
you.
go try to take it out again.
When you try to love nature, it don't love you back. Okay.
Does it hurt?
Yes, a lot.
Okay, wait.
No, it's just wood, like digging into my skin. It doesn't feel painful.
Ma, how come it feels like I have it?
I know, I can feel you like grabbing it.
Get out. What if I pushed it in further?
Stop. Don't touch me there. Right now, no.
I don't have anything. I have a pencil.
Just dab another piece of blood.
Wait.
It's okay, I'll just figure out when I get home, right?
Okay,
I'll live.
I didn't have any clamps. You just said you're gonna try to take it out. You're like, never mind. She's still going at it.
My nails don't want to pull it.
So next time you need to grow out your nails longer.